Replace the white ink bottle. Turn off the printer first. Open the upper cover on the right side of the printer. Tie the 2 white ink tubes with zip ties. After tying it up, use scissors to cut the ink tube. Wrap all the cut ink tubes in bags. Find the cable of the white ink box and cut it off. Remove the ink cartridge. Cut off the new ink cartridge. Install the new ink bottle onto the printer. Wrap the 2 cables with insulating tape. Connect the red cables together. Connect the black cables together. Wrap 2 cables with insulating tape. So the ink cartridge has been replaced.